I'm so happy you're here today. I am Grace with Handmaid Cleaning, and today we are excited to show you new and innovative ways of cleaning stainless steel. I know a lot of you probably have, asked different people or maybe gone to even the manufacturers about how to clean your stainless steel, and they have directed you to polishes and cleaners that are on the shelf for normal maintenance. And I can tell you right now that if it has oil in it, you're not going to want to use it on your stainless steel, because in the long run it just causes more buildup and more drippage marks, and it really isn't beneficial to your time nor your stainless steel. So I'm going to show you some really amazing ways to get this off simply and then keep it clean simply, so that you can save yourself time, energy, and money. So let's get started. The first product that you're going to want to use, if your fridge looks as bad as this one, you're probably going to need this. It's Barkeeper's Friend. It is a mild abrasive, and so you're going to need to go with the grain when you're cleaning it. Also, we will be using Dawn. This is going to help remove like the fingerprints and any other like food that's stuck on. And your final product, there's not the actual product written on this, but this is Thieves. So any mild cleaner that uses mostly like, essential oils is going to be a great way to maintain the cleaning that we're going to do to this atrocious fridge. So here we go. You're going to want to put hot water on your rag, and then some Barkeeper's Friend, a little bit of Dawn, and then go ahead and spray a little bit of that to get it activated. You're going to want to move across like so. So we're in the rinsing phase at this point, and one of the things that's super important if you're using a Barkeeper's Friend and the Dawn in a thick manner in order to get everything off, you're going to want to rinse it really well. So I'm going to be going back and forth in the sink and rinsing off what we put on here. And the product is going to be really great. The outcome is going to be really great. You want to press firmly with this dry rag here at the end, just like you would on glass, to make sure that the streaking is minimal. And again, you're going to want to go along with the grain. Stainless steel appliances. No matter what appliances they are, if they have the grain, this is how you do it. So if you are interested in any more cleaning tips, let us know. You can subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips. You can also join our brand new Facebook group, Handmaid Cleaning Connections, where we have everyone coming together, helping each other out. We're here to help you, and we look forward to seeing you along the way. Take care and have a great day.